Hi! Finally, we have chill out day. Ayan, kasi hindi masyadong busy, so welcome!
Kasabay ng pagbuhos ng ulan ay pagbuhos din ng blessing sa ROA. So congratulations everyone at i-enjoy natin ang ating outing! Yay!
Gathering natin na to, it's really more of magkasama-sama tayong lahat. Gusto nyo maghabulan kayo. Sino yung mga makakalaban ko sa TikTok?
Welcome mga ka-wizard sa ating maulang summer outing.
Hello Wizards! Sana makapagpahinga kayo and renew the energy para next half of the year, go na naman tayo. Salamat sa inyo lahat as magkita-kita tayo ulit sa Christmas party. Sana may bonus ulit.
Chance for us to reset and to reconnect with each other dahil sobrang busy natin and we want to give you guys this opportunity na mag-relax naman kahit paano. Kahit inabot na tayo ng tag-ulan.
Mag-chill, magsaya, mag-swimming, kampay!
Break tayo at hopefully in the next coming weeks, hataw na naman tayo. For this day, relax, chill out. Let's take this opportunity to reconnect.
We know it's going to be one fantastic day because we are enjoying each other's company. So, thank you for being here.